channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today is going to be an affordable cosmetic skincare guide. It's going to be one of several I am doing, but all the gifts in here are affordable and perfect holiday gifts. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so in today's video, I have partnered with E.L.F. I love E.L.F. so much. It's a cruelty-free brand, and they have such affordable, amazing gift sets. The whole thing is not going to be E.L.F., but they have sponsored this video, so thank you so much for partnering with me, E.L.F. I am going to start out with some of their amazingly priced gifts. Their theme this year is kind of like candy, and I love this. So they sent me this. This is 5 balms for $5, and they're wrapped in candy. Can you see it? They're wrapped like candy. So cute. And it's a trio, and it's only $5. I thought this would be a fantastic stocking stuffer, and it is going to be in my daughter's stocking because she absolutely loves lip products. And make sure you stay to the end because I'm doing a giveaway in this video as well. They also have amazing kind of skincare kits for beginners. So if you're just getting started in skincare, or you have somebody that you want to introduce to cruelty-free skincare, they have this one right here. This is only $15, and it is a mini skincare kit. It comes with a cleanser, it comes with a toner, it comes with a mask, like a soothing mask, and then it also comes with a little moisturizer, so that's fantastic. Also, they do have this E.L.F. Best of skincare set, and again, this comes with a cleanser. It also comes with a moisturizer, a hydrating sheet mask in the back, and it's only $18. And it comes with also a balancing eye cream. So this is going to be something for somebody with sensitive skin, etc. I think these are actually really nice products. Comes with a toner, and it's only 18 bucks. And you could wrap this, and this would be super, super fantastic, especially somebody starting out in skincare. A link's below where you can shop these things. The last one from E.L.F. I want to show you is this new Holt Chocolate Eye Spice. It's 10 bucks. They have amazing range of colors. Honestly, 10 bucks for a fantastic group of shadows. You know that when you're going to go with E.L.F. that you absolutely will get amazing payoff with your shadows, and I highly cannot recommend their palettes enough. It's fantastic. All right, so let's move into a little skincare. I'm gonna go skincare, cosmetics, skincare, cosmetics. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce you to a new brand. This brand, I'll show you, the packaging is so amazing, is called Kinship. And it's a cleanser. This is their enzyme cleanser. I've been using it every single day. I love it. This is a great moisturizer for oilier skin, combo oily skin, and it is called Supermello from the same brand. They also have their Insta Swipe. These are your exfoliating pads, and they have a salicylic acne spot treatment, and then this is the SPF that I have been wearing religiously. It's called Skin Reflect, and I want to teach you about this line a little bit. It's a cruelty-free line. It is a brand new line, and nothing in the line is more than $25. They also have clinically backed ingredients and formulations, so you know the products are actually going to work. And they're really into protecting the environment, less packaging, and less plastic usage. Also, they have a no-no list that is this long. This is their no-no list. Okay, it's really inspiring. They follow the EU standards, so it's the 1,300 plus questionable ingredients. So that's everything from chemical sunscreens to artificial colorants to PEGs to nanomaterials, phthalates, SD alcohols, silicones, sulfates, all of the above. It is so fantastic. This line is so beautiful, and it was just sent to me in PR because one of my dear friends has actually been a part of creating this line, and I think it's just such an approachable, well-made, and really effective line. So I'll leave that information below. I think it's just one of those things that if somebody's looking for a good starter kit for you know, skincare, no matter what the age is, because again, I'm 40 and I use these products and they're fantastic. The only one that I would recommend is this one, is a moisturizer, but it is definitely more for oily to combination skin, and it doesn't have any of those ingredients in it that would cause sensitivities, so yay for that. All right, are you noticing my eye makeup today? wow. Okay, so these were sent to me in PR. This is a palette by a company called Alter Ego. I had never heard of them before. They are also cruelty-free, but look at this palette. Gorgeous. I have this on my eyes right now. I have combined quite a few of these colors, and the sparkly, what you see right here is this guy right here, and I love that it comes actually with a concealer. So you conceal the eye first and then you can set it with powder. These are the most reasonably priced, huge palettes that I've seen in a long time. They're gorgeous. They have one called Sierra, one called Temptress. I think that this palette is like $18. You guys should just stock up on them. Get them for yourself. Get them for your beauty lovers in your family. I just think they're such a well-made product, and they ship all over the world. So no matter where you are, you can grab those. I think that's just such an amazing gift, and it would not set you back at all. All right, so let's kind of leave off with a few more skincare items. All right, so the first one's gonna be from Maelove. This is only $27.95. This is a beautiful serum. This is gonna give you like instantly dewy, plumped, hydrated skin. It has hyaluronic acid gel in it. This also, by the way, Maelove is a cruelty-free company as well. It's enhanced with vitamin B5 and resveratrol. Resveratrol is an amazing antioxidant. If you can't use vitamin C or anything like that, it's a great substitute for it, and it goes on gorgeously. I have been using this quite often. This is their new NIA 10 calming serum. This is perfect for somebody that has rosacea, sensitive skin, you know, flare-ups from acne, things like that. This is also great for acne-prone skin and large pores. It has niacinamide in it. That's what its main ingredient is niacinamide, and also a zinc and white green tea. And this is just all about calming, soothing your skin. My skin's been a little irritated recently because of this kind of switch in cold weather, and I've been really enjoying that. So, and that serum is also only $27 as well. So that would be a perfect combination to give to your mother, your grandmother, your you know, your younger daughter, things like that. Just put a little bow around them. They will love these. All right, and then the last one I'll leave you with, since you guys always are asking for this affordable skincare that really does work, another cruelty-free line called Good Molecules. You've heard me talk about this line a couple of times. I highly recommend the Instant Cleansing Balm. It's only $15. It works so beautifully. I absolutely love it. But then they just came out with a brand new moisturizer that was again sent to me in PR, and this is their silicone-free priming moisturizer. It's a really cool concept, and it's only $14. And let me tell you just a little bit about it. So they say that this is what their little card, which I thought was interesting. They said, according to science, silicone does not cause breakouts, but that is not what we hear from our customers or many of makeup artists we work with. I just think that's really interesting and telling. So they said that's why our first moisturizer had to be silicone free. It uses a greener emollient rather than silicone, which is known as esters. It's a safe fluid that are biodegradable and friendly to the skin as well as the environment, which I love. It also contains shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and vitamin E. It also does not have PEGs, mineral oil, fragrance, silicones, and a few other really potentially harmful ingredients. So I really think that this is a fantastic combination to either buy for yourself or give as a gift. I mean, a lot of us are getting into skincare here, no matter what the age is. And so really providing them with these affordable, and providing yourself with these affordable, effective, and fun gifts. I mean, it's just gonna be a really fun holiday season, and you just can't beat the prices of all of these goodies. So if you like this video and you want more affordable holiday gift guides, please give this video a thumbs up. And I am planning on going to Walmart and Target and the Meijer, because I'm going to be in Michigan next week and picking up some and hopefully picking up some other great ingredients for another video just like this. All right, so the giveaway for today, all you have to do is be 18 and older, be subscribed to my channel, and comment below, maybe you know, what you're looking forward to the holidays, or, you know, just saying hi, or whatever it is. But what I'm giving away today is, so the first thing I'm giving away is the Sahara palette from Alter Ego. I will not touch it because I am going to be giving it away, but I just want to show you the beautiful colors of this palette, and the majority of them are matte. The sparklier ones I suggest use with your finger like I have done to lay down on the eye. It is such a gorgeous fall holiday palette. I love it, I'm obsessed. Then I'm also going to be giving away the matte lip color set from E.L.F, as well as this spiritual body care. It's an amazing green, cruelty-free, non-toxic brand. This is basically a moisturizer for the skin. It's gorgeous. It's one of the lines I use upstairs, and it really is going to be great for winter skin. So again, to enter, 18 and above. It's going to be open international. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and just comment below, and I will be picking the winner 48 hours after this video goes live. Just check the details in the description box. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.